The following video will help you to clean and descale your Siemens EQ.3. To begin, press and hold down the Calc and Clean button for 5 seconds until it lights up. First, remove the drip tray and coffee grounds container. Then the brewing unit. A small compartment is located on the right side behind the red casing. Insert the cleaning tablet here. Then reinsert the brewing unit. The drip tray and the coffee grounds container. Close the door and place a container with a capacity of 1 liter under the outlet. Remove the water tank and the water filter. Place a descaling tablet into the tank and pour in half a liter of lukewarm water. As soon as the tablet has dissolved completely, reinsert the water tank. Press the Calc and Clean button until the Calc and Clean operating symbol appears. The program cleans and descales the appliance. Once the Calc and Clean LED lights up, empty the container under the outlet. And then the drip tray. Reinsert it, close the door, and remove the water tank. Rinse it out once more and then reinsert the water filter. Fill with fresh water up to the max mark. Once you have reinserted the water tank, place the container under the outlet again. Calc and Clean will flash again. Press the button. The appliance runs the last step of the cleaning process automatically. When the symbol lights up, the program has finished. Empty the container, the coffee grounds container, and the drip tray one last time. Your appliance is now ready to use again.
Siemens, the future moving in.